by the cadets only, with very little assistance from outside. We'll give a feel of that to you, and this is as far as administration is concerned. So you require tentage accommodation, you require food, you require water. This is, once this part of the administration is taken care of, then comes the training part. So once you are established in the camp, like some attempt has been made here, they have been pitched nicely by the 9th class cadets, and they have done a very good job. You can see a lot of effort has gone in. There is a lot of scope for improvement. I am sure with every passing day, your camp location will improve. You will, first thing is cleaning up the whole area, which requires a lot of effort, right? And slowly then, once you have made it habitable, then comes, further improvement. So on the daily basis, we'll clean up the area, we'll improve the accommodation, and we'll improve the water facilities, the drinking water facilities, the food. As of now, today being first day, we are getting the food for you all here only, and I expect that next time onwards you will be involved in distribution also, and as well as preparation of the food. Now once the administration part is taken care of, then comes the most important aspect of the camp, which is training, for which scout posts have been created, firing range has been improved. You will have firing also carried out during this time. Probably everybody will get a chance to fire at least 10 rounds. That is my aim. But constraints of time is there, and the strength is more, and we have less number of rifles. Nevertheless, we'll give an opportunity for everybody to fire at least 10 rounds. And then we are also looking for good firers to make our Sainik School team, which can go and participate in firing competitions. In any case, it is very important for anybody who is willing to join or aspiring to join NDA. It is very important that you are good in firing. Every soldier has to be good in firing, whether he is soldier or any rank, including officers. There are several competitions for all officers also. So firing will be part of your life if you are joining NDA. You will also be put through drill. 11th class will be the one which will be getting most of the opportunity for rifle drill. We have now acquired some weapons, although they are less in numbers. The old weapons which were there, which has become obsolete, the 303 DP rifles. These rifles have been backloaded to COD Jabalpur, and we have placed demand for 100 rifles SLR, and we'll try to have SLR drill incorporated in our routine, so that whenever there is guard of honor or parade, you can use these SLRs. It is much better weapon than 303. Besides this drill,